Today we will solve another quiz which is related to palm down and word mark method. It is very simple quiz and expression contains the basic operation like plus, division, multiplication and subtraction. So here we have the four answer in the answer list. So now we have to find after solving this using palm down and word mark method and see like which answer is correct. So now let's move forward to the topic. Before starting the topic, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so we can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now you can see we have to solve this expression using palm dance and word mask method. So first we have to see what is the palm dance and word mask method. So as you can see on the screen, palm dance and word mask basically apply. These are the rules which apply on the expression which contains the basic operation. So here, what is the meaning of the word mask and palm dance? Basically, brackets B for bracket in word mask and P for parenthesis in the palm dance, but both are the similar one. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis like square bracket, curly bracket, and rounded bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to move forward find out the power of any number. If any in your expression, any number has the power, so you have to solve that part first. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find the division and multiplication. Basically, division and multiplication have same precedence here. So you have to see which operation is coming first in your expression. If division is coming first, so you have to solve that part first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve both terms first. And similarly, we have the same rule for the addition and subtraction. So after division and multiplication in your expression, we have to solve the addition and subtraction just like the same rule. So if addition is coming first in your expression, so you have to go see and solve addition. And if subtraction is coming first, so you have to solve the subtraction first. So now move forward. In our expression, as you can see, we have the bracket first. So here we have this part first. We have to solve because the bracket, as per rule, we have to solve the bracket first. So here we have the bracket and we will solve this part, and other part we will write as it is. So we will write this part as it is, and 2 multiplied by 8 equals to 16 minus 10. And here we will give the reference we have to solve the bracket B bracket. So we have to say 2 8 just 16. Now move forward. Our expression does not contain any bracket right now. So it's free from the bracket. And also we do not have any order or exponent, or you can say any power of any number. So we will skip that step. Now we will move forward for the division and multiplication. And here we have to go left to right in our expression and see which is coming first. So as you can see, here we have 14 divided by 6. So we have to solve this part first. 32 plus 48 divided by 6 is equals to 8. Is equals to 8 multiplied by 16 minus 10, right? And now we will give the reference here. So here we solve the division D. We will write 48 divided by 6 equals to 8. Now we will move forward left to right again. So here we will go left to right. And now we will see if there any division and multiplication. So we will go left to right and see this is coming multiplication. So now we will solve this part. So we will write this way: 32 plus 8 multiplied by 16, sorry. So we can ask it 16 multiplied by 8 equals to 128. 128 minus 10. Now, our expression is and we can give the reference here. So here we solve the multiplication. So the answer is 120 here. And now we will move forward again left to right and see which is coming. So now we will see like addition. Now our expression does not contain any multiplication and division. Now we will solve addition because it's coming first. So now we will add 128 plus 32. So it becomes the 160 and minus 10. So now we will move forward and we have only the subtraction in our expression. So now the answer is 150. So the correct answer of this expression is 150. So if you see in the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression step by step using PAMDAS and word math method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.